Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in to today's webinar. My name is Shane Cronkright. I'm the Latin America Sales Manager for CTC, and today we are going to be going over the mining industry products. To begin, a little bit about the industry background. The mining environment is very harsh. Machine failure is a large risk to operational runtime and human safety. Some common equipment to monitor includes motors, generators, gearboxes, pumps, and fans. Having a predictive maintenance system in place can assist with planning a shutdown at the mine site. Into rolling element bearings, CTC accelerometers are commonly used to detect bearing faults and in gears. Some of the common faults that can be detected are unbalance, misalignment, blade pass, and vane pass. What CTC offers? CTC offers various types of accelerometers, 100 millivolt per G and 500 millivolt per G. Various types of cables, connectors, mounting hardware, junction boxes, proximity probes, proximity probe drivers, proximity probe extension cables. As for the accelerometers, we offer standard and dual output accelerometers. For the standard accelerometers, we have a wide range of top exit and side exit premium or low cost options, such as our AC102, AC104, and many more. For the dual output, we also offer a wide range of top exit and side exit premium and low cost options, such as our TA102 and our TA104. Which measure vibration and temperature. That brings us to cables, which are standard and dual output. These are commonly used in the mining industry. As for standard, we have CB111 and CB206. CB111 is a twisted two-conductor yellow Teflon jacket, also known as FEP. CB206 is a twisted two-conductor red FEP jacket that is armored. As for the dual output cabling, we have CB112, which is a three-conductor shielded cable white FEP jacket. That leads us into our connectors, where we have two options, first being standard and our second being dual output. As for our standard connectors, we have A2A, A2N, D2Q, and J2Q connectors. These contain a silicone sealing ring and stainless steel locking collar. As for our B2A and B2N connectors, these are our seal-tight boot for vacuum-tight seals. As for our dual output connectors, we have our A3A, A3N, D3Q connectors, which also contain a silicone sealing ring and stainless steel locking collar. We also offer the B3A and B3N connection, which have our seal-tight boot connector for a vacuum-tight seal. And lastly, we have our V2N and V3N connectors, which are part of our Viton boot series, which seal for an IP68 rating. These eliminate water and dust contamination. As for the mounting hardware, we have our quick disconnects for triaxial accelerometers. This will allow you to orient the triaxial accelerometer the same way every time you put it on the application. We also offer adhesive mounting pads, stud mounts, Zerk adapters, motor fin mounts, and sensor protectors. As for our junction boxes, these can be used for cable reduction purposes or switched outputs on a portable route for data collection. They come in fiberglass or stainless steel NEMA 4X enclosures. And also for the mining industry, we offer slope top junction boxes, which are designed to eliminate buildup of debris on top of the junction box. As you can see in the pictures to our right, we have our JB330, which is an example, and also our JB310. That leads us into proximity probes. Many generators, motors, and gearboxes use a fluid film bearing to support the rotating shaft. Shafts require monitoring, which can be done through the X and Y axis radial probes. You can see on the picture to the right that the proximity probes are mounted on the bearing 90 degrees apart for the X and Y axis reading. Our ProLine probes are non-contact eddy current sensors, which measure the vibration of the shaft relative to the casing. Our probes can be externally mounted to the bearing, threaded or clamping probe brackets, as you can see in the bottom right. And that leads us into our CTC ProLine. We offer API standard 670 probes. These come in multiple case and thread lengths. Different probe tip diameters with 3/8 24 or M10 diameters. These come for the 8mm, FFV, 11mm, and 25mm system. We also offer total system lengths of 5 and 9 meters. We offer extension cables for each probe tip diameter for different system lengths, with or without armor, with or without connector protectors, CE certified, CSA, ATEX, IECEX, and CE approvals. As for our ProLine drivers and enclosures, we offer drivers for 8mm, FFV, 11mm, and 25mm diameter probe tips, all used for 4 to 20 milliamp output, voltage output, 4 to 20 milliamp radial output, 4 to 20 milliamp axial output, and also RPM output. As for the enclosures, they hold up to 6 proximity probe drivers made of fiberglass. These come with or without power. An example of that is our PXE 150P, and they come with or without terminal blocks, which is the example to the right, the PXE 150T. As for the CTC and ProLine warranty, the CTC warranty is the unconditional lifetime warranty, where you can send any product back to us and we will replace it for free, no questions asked. That leads us to our ProLine warranty, which is a warranty that is a lifetime, and it's on materials and workmanship. That will conclude today's webinar on mining industry products for CTC. If you do have any questions, please reach out to your local representative with CTC, and we will be happy to assist you. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.